Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build Voyager 1 in SFS. First, begin by placing a large fuel tank as the central core of your spacecraft. Next, attach a powerful engine directly beneath it to provide the necessary thrust for launch. Remember to use the symmetry tool to ensure all components are perfectly aligned, which is crucial for a stable and controlled flight path into space. This foundational step sets up your entire mission. Now, let's equip our Voyager 1 with its essential instruments. Place a large dish antenna on top of the main fuel tank. This is vital for long-distance communication. Next, attach various scientific instruments around the central body to gather data during its journey. Although Voyager 1 used radioisotope thermoelectric generators, for simplicity in SFS, you can add small solar panels to ensure consistent power supply for all systems. These additions make your probe functional. To achieve deep space, you'll need powerful booster stages. Attach several large solid rocket boosters or liquid fuel engines around your main core. Carefully configure the staging sequence so that boosters detach efficiently as their fuel depletes. This maximizes your ascent performance. Finally, set your launch trajectory to aim for an escape velocity, allowing your Voyager 1 replica to leave Earth's gravitational pull and begin its interstellar journey. Proper staging is key. With your Voyager 1 built, it's time for fine-tuning. Adjust the thrust limiter on your engines and manage fuel distribution for optimal performance during each stage. Practice your launch sequences multiple times to achieve precision and efficiency. Once you're confident, launch your spacecraft and guide it through the solar system, just like the real Voyager 1. This easy guide helps you recreate an iconic space mission in SFS, offering hours of exploration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.